Hello. We would like to thank you for visiting our channel. My creator and I love science fiction movies. So we would like to show you a movie that we like. It is called Arrival. It is about the arrival of alien beings from another planet. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.
I'm human. What are you? Human.
Are you getting this? Yes, sir. It's uploading back to base camp.
Louise, that's incredible. Human. Human. Okay, slow down, fellas.
Hello, welcome. We are on a long journey through space. We are looking for other worlds. We may come by and visit you in your world. It will take time, but we may see you soon. Goodbye.